Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this beautiful rainbow decoration very easily at home with very few different kinds of balloons. And you can use this for any party, whether it's a birthday party, wedding, baby shower, any occasion. You can simply use this beautiful decoration and easily make it at home. So first we are going to take long balloons. These balloons are also known as magic balloons or as flexible balloons. You can use these balloons to make the rainbow colors, and these are the colors that we'll be using: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple and pink. All the colors of the rainbow. Besides these, we will also be needing white balloons. I have here white large balloons. I have a total of 12 balloons, and these are the balloons that we'll be using for this video to make the clouds. And also for the raindrops, I have different colors from the rainbow. These are small water balloons. These are the balloons that we'll be using in this video to make raindrops. I have also taken all the colors of the rainbow here, except for the fact that I don't have purple, so I made a purple color by mixing two colors of balloon. If for any reason you cannot get a certain color where you live and you want to create a color, I've made a whole video on this covering how you can mix two different colors balloon and create any color of balloon that is missing for your decoration. So as I told you, I don't have the color purple in balloons, so now I'll create the color purple. I'll take a blue color balloon and I'll put it inside a pink color balloon. We'll make this small, the blue color balloon, its mouth small, and we'll put it within the pink color balloon like this, and we'll push it inside. And here is our double balloon, and it is blue within. We have double balloon, it's a blue within and a pink on the outside, and look, it will turn purple. And here's your purple color balloon. Now we are going to inflate our balloons, and we'll make a knot and we'll tie its edge. This is our first balloon. I'll do the same with all 7 colors that I have. Next we are going to take our white balloon and we are going to inflate the white balloon. And we are going to make a knot. And we'll do the same with all the 12 balloons. I've put air in all the white balloons now, and there are my long balloons. Now next I'm going to put air in my small water balloons. I'll only pump this small water balloon 3 times. For our next step, we'll take the balloon, the long balloon, and we'll bend it a bit so that it gets a bit flexible and it gets a round, until it gets a bit a round shape. Not fully a circle, a bit like a circle. And if you bend it like this, it will get a circle shape. For our next step, we'll take double-sided tape. I'll cut it at size of 2 centimeters. I'll stick this on the red balloon here, and I'll be needing 4 pieces like these. So in total I have 4 pieces of 2 centimeters double-sided tape. If you don't have double-sided tape, then I've made a video on my channel in which you can easily make double-sided tape at home. So here are my 4 pieces. I have attached 1 piece here, and I'll attach 1 more piece here, 1 more piece here, and 1 more piece here. And we're going to take this orange long balloon and we're going to paste it on the red one. Attach all the other colors the same way. Again, we'll take 4 pieces of double-sided tape. Each piece is about 2 centimeters. If you want to keep it more bigger, you can keep it more bigger. But because I'm trying to save the tape, and these 4 pieces are quite enough to hold it on its place. They are strong tape, so I don't need to use more tape. We'll do exactly the same way on the bottom side. We'll place the tape. If you're unsure and you're afraid, you can also use 5 pieces of tape. Make sure that you're sticking them the right way, because otherwise you'll get out of shape. Here is our rainbow. Don't worry if it is uneven. That doesn't matter. It depends on how much you're pumping the balloon. But what matters, we won't be using that area as well. It will be covered by the clouds, so it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be exact. We'll cover these areas with clouds. Next, for our decoration, we'll be needing a measuring stick and masking tape. With this measuring tape, we will measure the height that we want to put it in so that it turns to be equal. So I'm going to put it at 2 meters height. So I'll check where 2 meters is. I'll know that this is the height, and it has to be straight like that. I'm doing the same thing at this side. So now again, we'll take the masking tape, and now we'll make a straight line. I've put the masking tape to make a straight line. It doesn't have to be exactly straight, but at least I'll have a line where I know that if I follow this line, my rainbow will be straight. Next, I'll take double-sided tape. I'll take 5 pieces and I'll cut each piece at 5 centimeters. And I'll paste each piece on this masking tape. So I have here masking tape. Its length is 1 meter. And on that masking tape, I've placed double-sided tape. Each piece of double-sided tape is 5 centimeters long in length, and I've placed them on 5 different locations, on 2 corners, in the middle, and twice in between the distances. This is going to be our structure on which we are going to hang our rainbow. On the structure, it already has double-sided tape, so it shouldn't be a problem to stick this on. If you have a wall, it's fine. Otherwise, if you're like me, hanging it on textile, it will also stick because the double-sided tape is strong enough. Next, we are going to take thread. I'll be needing 7 pieces of thread, and each piece of thread will be 1 meter long in length. Next, we're going to take the thread, and we'll take the water balloon, and we'll tie the thread around the water balloon. I'll take like 2 centimeters to tie this. And this is my first balloon that I've tied here on 2 centimeters. Now I'll measure. After every 20 centimeters, I'll tie another drop of the same color. So I have this first drop here, that's here. From that, I'll check 20 centimeters, which is here, and I'll tie another balloon here. And it will be the same color, which I have here. And you'll do the same thing again. You'll measure 20 centimeters. And at 20 centimeters, you'll tie another small water balloon of the same color. You'll tie another balloon of the same color. you'll tie the other pink. In our next step, we are going to take white balloons. We have 2 white balloons. We'll make a knot and we'll tie these 2 with each other. This way we are going to tie all our white balloons together. We'll take 2 pairs and we'll tie them with each other like this. We're just going to roll it like this. And it's securely tied. This won't move from its place. Here are the 4 balloons together, and we'll take 1 more pair and we'll join it inside. You do it the same way. You take this 4 balloons, you take 1 more pair, you push it in together, and you twist those balloons like this. In our next step, we'll take masking tape again, 2 pieces of each 15 centimeter, and we'll put it here where you can see the pink balloon, the long balloon. We'll just follow the line like this. That's the same thing that we're going to do on the other side, from the pink balloon upwards. Next, we are going to take double-sided tape again, 4 pieces of each 5 centimeter length. Now we'll take this double-sided tape and we'll paste it here. Same on the other side and on the top side. After putting double-sided tape, we are going to take our cloud balloons and we're going to paste them here. So gently press the balloon. Just look for 2 balloons which fit there and you press them. We are going to take the other cloud and again you'll look for 2 balloons and you'll paste the balloons on the double-sided tape. And this is our rainbow cloud. The next step, we'll take double-sided tape again. This time we'll take small pieces of 2 centimeter and we'll take 7 pieces. We will paste the double-sided tape on our rainbow on 7 different locations. We'll take our measuring stick and we'll measure how much this rainbow is. My rainbow in length it is 77 centimeters and I have 7 pieces of colors that I want to hang. So after every 11 centimeters I'll put 1 double-sided tape so I can hang my rainbow drops. Is we'll take our colored balloon which we made the raindrops on. And we are going to paste this on a place. Take 1 string of balloon and we'll paste it on the double-sided tape that we did before. We'll do the same with the other color and we'll take the tape and we'll paste it on the second double-sided tape that we have. This is the way I've made my construction. If you want, you can make more solid base. You can make a more solid base by using a glue gun, or you can use something else with which you can secure it more better. So here it is, guys. This is my rainbow decoration. Please do let me know in the comment section if you did like this video. If you did like this video, then please give this video a thumbs up. Do check my other DIYs and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a very nice day. Bye.